Hi, I'm Marci Baker and wanted to share with you a way to press seams open. I was working tonight and needed to get 160 inches done quickly, and it was like, how can I do this easily and have success? And I came up with this technique. Others may be doing it already and teaching it. I don't know. I haven't seen it. But once I came up with it, it's like, I just have to share this. So let me set my camera up and I'll show you the technique. Okay, here I have my strips that I need to press the seam open. And a couple of things about the way I press and my setup is I have a piece of flannel, and the flannel is going to make this very easy and get a nice crisp press. I'm also using an iron that has steam. It's going to give me steam, and it has a nice edge that's going to help me with the pressing. So those are the main things that we're going to need here. And I'm going to set the seam just like normal whenever we're pressing a seam, and I am lifting my iron in between. Then I'm going to take this and pull it back slightly. The flannel is holding this lower piece down. I'm going to pull this back just enough that the iron can get in there and do the work. I'm always putting my iron on the lower side. You can see how easily that's done. The flannel does the work. My fingers aren't in there. Now, so this is the normal way of pressing. We have, if we turn it over, we have one of those seam allowances pressed the correct way towards itself, and the other one we need to press towards the other fabric. So I'm going to get my finger in here just slightly. I'm going to put the tip of the iron there, and I'm just going to hold my finger right in front of it, a couple of inches, to avoid getting steam on my finger and hurting it. And I have just set the seam with a nice crisp press. I never have liked pressing seams open, but this technique definitely is the way to do it. I hope you can enjoy your quilting even more. I'm Marci Baker.